name is Joey. I'll be your guide and teacher through this wonderful new journey of yours of learning how to sew. I'm delighted to welcome you to the So Fabulous Anytime Classroom. Welcome. The reasons why people want to start sewing usually boil down to just about two. Firstly, people complain that store-bought items do not fit. The second reason could be a serious bout of individuality. Whatever your reason is, I hope you find here what you're looking for. Whenever someone starts a new skill, it pays to start with the basics. We will assume you know nothing. If you do know something, I can guarantee you will pick up a few tricks along the way. You will need access to a sewing machine in good working order. The minimum requirement for your machine will be the ability to make a one-step automatic buttonhole. This is just the best trick ever. If it is time for you to upgrade, this imbecile machine can be bought through So Fabulous. Go back to www.sofabulous.co.za and go to the shop. It is the machine that is featured in all the courses. It is a very reliable and practical machine that will serve you for many years to come. After-sales service can be counted on. When you order this machine, you will also receive a basic sewing kit for free, including everything you need to complete the basics course. Should you not require to order a machine, you can order everything you need from the shop as well. Should you want to use a different brand of sewing machine for your courses, that is okay. All sewing machines work on the same principle. Two threads interlock to form stitches. There is a needle thread, comes from the top. Certain path is followed and through the eye of the needle. At the bottom of the foot plate, you will find the bobbin. This may be in a slightly different position, but basically domestic machines all work in the same way. This is where you should consult your manual to see how your machine differs from the one featured in the course. There should not be many differences. You will also need a printer to print your PDF files, sewing instructions, patterns, that sort of thing. Good luck and happy learning with So Fabulous.